Hey there, everyone. So, just an update. I am still recovering my hand. I was doing a lot better, but it seems to have relapsed a little bit. I do need to use it for work and all that. So, for this video, I want to talk mostly about that minigame issue I've mentioned a couple times on this channel. Yeah, turns out a lot of minigame players, particularly those with Android phones, and not just me, have been seeing this issue with the minigames where, in at least half the games, the game freezes at around 2 on the countdown, skips for about 3 to 5 seconds, then throws you right into the middle of the game. For the racer minigame, it doesn't seem to pop up enough to be too much of a problem, and I have heard the least complaints about it on that minigame. I'm not quite sure about the racer game this week, however. I believe that's what started firing up complaints mostly. On Warship, there's a second or so of delay after the countdown before the game actually begins, so it almost doesn't matter too much in Warship, ironically enough. But with fishing and golf, especially where even top 500 players in fishing can get 16 out of 16 on a regular basis, and with golf, anything less than 40 points results in an L most of the time, these are legitimate game breakers. Well, on the official Atlas Earth Discord, their mod had mentioned that they cannot emphasize enough that if problems occur to start a new support ticket, because the dev team does look at the ticket volumes, and on the Beer Money Network Discord, Tasty Wallet mentioned to anyone who's experienced this countdown freeze, like him and I, to submit a ticket within the Atlas Earth app. And this video is about that as well. So, if you've had a problem, I'm going to show you how to submit your ticket within the Atlas Earth app. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go up to your profile picture on the top left here. So we are going to do that. There you go. And then we're going to the gear icon, normally, the universal settings icon. And what we're going to do is go to help and support. So we're going to click on help and support right here. And then here, we're going to go through all this stuff right here, and you're going to click Chat with Us. So click Chat with Us. And then you're going to Game Error. And here's Game Error right here. Now, from Game Error, you're going to do, I believe it is, it's not here. I guess we can enter our message here instead. And we're going to say minigame countdown freeze. Like this. And then to resolve this quickly, well, we don't have any category here, so we're going to skip that. And then we're going to click No, I need to talk to someone. And then we're going to wait. I did want to notice here as well that the chat is open from 9 to 4 Central. I know it says 4:43 on my clock, but I am on the Eastern time zone, so still got about 15 or so minutes left. But basically, you'll get someone on support here, and you just tell them the situation, and they'll set up a ticket for you. And I'm hoping I'll be able to show that on this video. Okay, so I just recently got a message here that says that I can expect a response within 4 hours during support hours to thank you for your patience. Okay, so I'm assuming that I'm probably not going to get that support today, but I will likely get it via an email or some kind of message. So I will give you an update on that on the community page. But please do go ahead and get those tickets sent if you have a problem with the countdown issue. You want to get that volume up so that way they increase the priority of it, increase the priority of fixing that bug so that the mini games will be a little bit more fair for us Android users. Also, since this is a pretty short video, I will mention again Q&A. I plan to do sometime around July the 4th, so I'm giving y'all till the end of the week to get your questions down. So like this video if you like it, and if it was helpful for you, comment below a question that you want me to answer for the Q&A. I know that I've said it like twice as well, so I'm going to go through all the questions from all the Q&As, and I'm going to set something up, and I plan to release it sometime, not this Saturday, but next Saturday. So around the July 4th weekend, all right? So thank you, everyone, and thank you for being awesome. I will hopefully have that bigger video out for you guys sometime this week. I am working on it later tonight, and I will see you all next time. Bye, everyone.